This is a 1982 Toyota Corolla two-door TE72 with a 1.8-liter 3TC Hemi engine linked to a 4-speed automatic transmission. And it needs some restoration. What's up, drivers? Lately my channel's been pretty track focused, but today we're getting back on the road with something a little bit different. This is a 1982 Corolla. Now at the time of recording, it's 2022, which means this is exactly a 40-year-old car. And also this car has been sitting since 2014, and it's just recently been getting kind of roadworthy. But as you'll find out, there's a lot of things about it that still need a bit of work. A bit of a refresh, we'll say. Now you're gonna be seeing my first impressions. Like, I have barely driven this car. I just drove it like a few blocks to get over here to start filming the video. So you're gonna see all of my honest reactions. Yeah, check out that acceleration. Okay, so I don't know how much power this car has at the moment. I mean, brand new, it wasn't a whole lot, but I mean, it might be even less now. In fact, it's probably almost guaranteed to be less, right? Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm trying to speak up. The AC is not working, so I have all the windows cracked just to get a little bit of air through here. And I'm on, kind of a fun road here, sort of a canyon type road, a little bit curvy, but nothing too crazy. We are on really old tires. In fact, the sidewalls are kind of cracking, so with any luck, we won't have a blowout. I'm gonna try not to die. Normally when I'm on a road like this, I'm like always catching traffic. Right now, I'm pretty worried that I'm the traffic. Like, I see, I don't know, like a Elantra or something coming up behind me pretty fast. And I feel like I need to get out of the way. Oh wow, there's really not a lot of steering feel here. So this is manual steering. And, oh, we had to downshift. Automatic transmission downshifting up this hill here. Oh God. Let's go. So the car needs a lot of refreshing, but it does, everything's like working properly, I'm told, as far as like the engine and everything. Mechanically it should be decent. Although the brakes, brakes felt pretty good there. I'm told that one of the calipers locks up sometimes, or maybe not locks up, but kind of drags. Oh my God, we cannot get up this hill. I shouldn't have hit the brakes as much as I did. But yeah, I haven't felt anything bad from the brakes so far. All right, we're gonna pass this bicycle right here. Yeah, just passed a guy on a bike. We are moving. So yeah, manual steering, it feels, okay, so the steering is heavy, but also floaty, I guess is the word to call it. I don't know, there's just not a lot of feel. Like, it feels kind of loose, and then like when you actually start to get resistance, then it's like really stiff because there's no power steering, like I said. And I'm told this has a steering box. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't even know what that means. Someone in the comments below, let me know what a steering box is, but I guess it's different, older design than a steering rack. All right, let's see. I don't know if that speedometer is accurate, because maybe I'm actually going a little too fast here. Didn't think I'd ever be saying that in this video. Suspension is sloshy, I think is probably the best way to put it. Oh, I'm getting some vibration in the steering wheel. I'm not sure if that's like from like the wheels not being balanced, or maybe like badly worn tires, or possibly alignment, although it's driving straight, but, or maybe that's not, maybe it's not from the steering, maybe it's just some vibration, maybe because like the struts are worn out. So yeah, we have McPherson strut in the front and a live rear axle in the rear. And I'm guessing the damping is just like totally shot. Oh God, I totally went into that turn way too fast. it is getting a bit of a squeak when I step on the brake. It's front disc. Oh yeah, did you hear that? I don't know if that's coming through on camera, but it's like, yeah, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes. So this car has kind of a cult following. And I'm told in some countries that it has like a really big aftermarket. I feel like I'm kind of like hunching forward through a lot of this video. I'm not sure why. Like, I have headspace, but somehow I just feel like I need to, maybe I'm just like hanging on for life. I'm pretty proud of like catching this traffic up here. I think we're gonna flip a U-turn in a second. Dude, that is so much vibration. I don't know if, is my arm in frame here? My arm is just like, So the fuel light is on, but I'm told that it's just like always on. It doesn't mean I'm running out of fuel. The actual gauge shows I have a little less than half a tank, so I think I'm probably good there. So additional restoration is planned for the car soon. It's gonna get coilover set up, new wheels, new tires, and then we're gonna drive it again. What? I'm not sure, what is that noise? Is that coming through on camera? Like when I step on the gas, it makes like a little slap or a pop. I don't know what that is. Maybe I should stop doing that. All right, I'm gonna pull over here. All right, foot to the floor. It's a lot of noise. 50-ish. Come on. Oh, we're going around the turn. Oh God. Okay, we never, I was gonna try and do 0 to 60. Never quite hit 60 there before I felt like I was too scared going around that turn. I had to let off. It feels like once you get past like 40, it's really like, it's working, you know? Coming up to another hill here. Oh yeah. Oh God, there's a turn. Oh Jesus. Did you, got the tires squealing there. I don't, what is that little thump or slap when I step on the gas? Oh yeah, we caught a truck, okay. Well, it's time to cruise. I feel like that's, you know, more what this car is about. Like the vibe is definitely cruiser. We'll see if that changes much once it has the new suspension and tires and everything. I know people do kind of treat this as like a sports car. Apparently people swap in the 4AGE. But as of now, its comfort zone is definitely cruising. The seats are comfortable. You know, they're like this real flat kind of bench seat. New upholstery. I gotta say, I like the look, the white and the blue. It looks nice. This might have gotten in camera a couple times when I was going around turns. It's just like a little charm or whatever. The car is female owned. All right, I'm gonna pull over here. The nosedive. Okay. All right, so I'll show you a couple more things around the car. I'm actually a big fan of the steering wheel. And to take the key out, I'm gonna... I'm sorry, just... What? It really sounds like it's dying. Every time... That can't be what that's supposed to sound like, right? Is that what that sounded like brand new? All right, but what I was gonna say is to take the key out, I don't know if I can do... I don't know if I can do this with one hand. So I might have to shut down the camera for a second, but I have to push in this button to take the key out. So that's like a really interesting feature I haven't seen before. Very simple dash setup. So you just have, you know, your fuel and temp and then your speedometer that you're lucky if you... I like how 55 is in red. It's like good luck if you go faster than 55. So yeah, this is from the current owner. New upholstery from the current owner as well. Looks nice. Apparently the door panels are gonna get redone to match it. Couple things from the original owner. Up here we got this little clip, Grandma's Guardian Angel. You're gonna need that. And then you have the big man himself right here. If you ever need Jesus to take the wheel, you're always riding with him. Apparently the original owner kept this taped on the dash, so the new owner, she wants to keep things, I guess, just kind of like honor the original owner's vision, we'll say, and just keep some of the unique little quirks about it. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, just in case you thought I was being overly dramatic when I was going around those turns, watch. The paint has, I don't know, we'll call it patina, like it's aged well. Even though, you know, obviously the clear coat is completely shot, but I don't know, I feel like it works. Tire size is 165. Yeah. And you can see we got some sidewall cracking here. I was really kind of taking my life in my hands by driving this. The sticker, unleaded fuel only. Gotta watch out for that. Oh, another fun thing. The key. So I'm told this was like a popular upgrade at the time. So you can see it's not a normal door lock. So you use this little key. It has like a little light, which is actually pretty cool. Like I'm not even like making fun of it now, but like, look at that. Dude, that's sick. And I guess this was like the thing back in '82. Look forward to seeing more of this car soon after its restoration, and let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you want to see in part 2 of this review. For now, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, make sure you don't miss part 2 of the review, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.